Creating custom mods for Cyberpunk 2077 allows players to personalize their gameplay experience by adding new content, enhancing visuals, or modifying game mechanics. 1. Understand modding tools and resources. Before starting, familiarize yourself with modding tools and resources available for Cyberpunk 2077. Tools like Cyber Engine Tweaks, COVALENTC1P77 tools, and RedScript 2 provide modding capabilities, while Nexus mods and modding communities offer tutorials, guides, and support. 2. Install modding tools and required software. Download and install modding tools such as Cyber Engine Tweaks for game file access and script editing. Ensure your PC meets system requirements and install necessary software like Cyberpunk 2077 itself, a text editor, e.g., Notepad++, and modding SDKs or plugins. 3. Backup game files. Before modding, create backups of original game files to revert changes if needed. Copy game directories and save files to a secure location to prevent data loss during mod installation or testing. 4. Choose your modding project. Decide on the type of mod to create, such as texture replacements, gameplay adjustments, new quests, or character customizations. Define mod objectives, scope, and compatibility with Cyberpunk 2077 versions and updates. 5. Learn modding basics and scripting. Understand Cyberpunk 2077 modding basics, including file structures, asset formats, and scripting languages like JSON or JavaScript. Refer to modding tutorials, documentation, and community forums for guidance on creating mods compatible with game mechanics. 6. Modify game assets and textures. Use modding tools to modify game assets, textures, and models for character appearances, vehicle designs, or environment enhancements. Edit resource files with custom graphics and textures using graphic editing software for quality assurance. 7. Test and debug mods. Test created mods in Cyberpunk 2077 to verify functionality, performance, and compatibility with game mechanics. Debug script errors, graphical glitches, or gameplay issues using modding tools and in-game testing to ensure optimal mod performance. 8. Publish and share mods. Prepare mod documentation, descriptions, and installation instructions for publishing on modding platforms like Nexus mods or GitHub repositories. Share mods with the Cyberpunk 2077 community, gather feedback, and update mods based on user suggestions or game updates. 9. Follow modding guidelines and legalities. Adhere to Cyberpunk 2077 modding guidelines, licensing agreements, and copyright laws when creating and distributing mods. Respect intellectual property rights, credit original creators, and seek permissions for using third-party assets or resources in mods. 10. Engage with modding community. Join Cyberpunk 2077 modding forums, Discord servers, or social media groups to connect with fellow modders, share modding experiences, and collaborate on community projects. Contribute to modding discussions, offer support, and participate in modding contests or events to showcase your creations. By following these steps, aspiring modders can create custom mods for Cyberpunk 2077, enhance gameplay experiences, and contribute to the thriving modding community with creative content and innovations.